Hey, what's up everybody? Chris back with another Proto Tech Tip, and in this week's video we're diving back into Protocase Designer, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add custom templates into the software. Let's get into it. So if you're looking for a faster way to design your custom parts and enclosures and eliminate those design to manufacturing latencies, Protocase Designer or Protospace Designer are fantastic tools for this. Either software is pretty identical in their capabilities, with Protospace Designer personalized for aerospace and defense requirements. They both have a bunch of time-saving features like built-in templates, instant quoting and ordering, and even live manufacturability checks as you design to make sure that what you're designing can actually be manufactured. And they're incredibly simple to use. It doesn't matter if you're brand new to this or you're an expert CAD designer, you'll be able to use it. Now, when it comes to templates though, there are a bunch of ready-made templates already in the software, which you can use right away. But what if there's a template that you're looking for and it's not on that list? There's no concern for that here because you can save custom templates very easily. Let me show you how. So if you've worked with us before to create a custom template for Protocase Designer or Protospace Designer, let's go through the steps to get your new template file to show up in the Templates section. First, by default, the software creates a Protocase Designer directory in your Documents folder. That's the first place you should look. Now, if you check your Documents folder and there's no Protocase Designer folder there, don't worry, it's likely that the home directory location was changed at some point. Here's how to check where it is. Just launch Designer and go into Preferences under Settings. Once you're in the Preferences dialog, click on the Editor Settings tab. The very first option you'll see is your home directory. This location is where you'll find that Protocase Designer directory that you're looking for. Now let's get your custom templates added. Once you've found your Protocase Designer folder, open it up. Inside you should see another folder called User Library. This is where you'll need to put the custom templates folder that you received from us. We'll be sending you a file called customtemplates.zip. First, you'll need to unzip that file, then just copy the unzipped custom templates folder and paste it right into that user library directory. This folder contains a couple of things, your PDA design file and another file called category.inf, which basically tells the software where to find your new template. Once you've copied that folder over, go ahead and relaunch Protocase Designer or Protospace Designer, and you should now see a new custom templates folder under personal templates with your file inside, ready for you to start designing. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you want to download our design software, head over to protocasedesigner.com, or if you work in aerospace or defense, you can check out protospacedesigner.com. And of course, if you run into any issues or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Just fill out the Contact Us forms on either website. We've linked them in the description below. And that's all for this week's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos coming your way every week. Until next time, take care.